In a previous video, I created this account payables due report. So this is all the balances due by vendor, and the tooltip actually shows the vendor name and the vendor classification and what the dollar amount represents. A couple changes I want to make to this. I want to change the name. The name is pulling in the name of all of the fields, and that's a bit much. So under formatting, I'm going to go to the title, and I'm just going to rewrite the title. I'm just going to call this Total Accounts Payable by Vendor. And let me get rid of that little extra space. And now when I look at my report, I could see it's there. It has this new title. I want to change the font color to black, and I'm going to center it, and I'm going to make the size of the font a little bit bigger. And now when I'm looking at my visual, it definitely looks a lot better. Now, one of the things that I want to show you in this video is not how to format the title, but a feature that a lot of people miss when they're looking at a report like this. And it is one of the reasons why you want to make sure that you really take good effort in formatting your data, modeling your data, making your data something that makes sense. And if I go into data mode and I look at my data, I want to make sure the title names make sense. I want to make sure that the data is modeled the way I want. So I have like document date here. I'm going to come in and change this to just be a regular date instead of displaying the full thing. And I'm going to do the same thing for that particular field. I might want to go in and put decimal places or set these to currencies and put commas on them if there's amounts here. So there's a lot of things that I would want to do to make sure that this is very functional and readable data. And the reason for that is in one of these fields, if you right mouse click on some of the visuals, you'll have the opportunity to see the underlying records. And if I click on that, I actually clicked on the bar in the clustered bar chart for this international telecom vendor. And now I'm looking at only the records for this vendor. And that's pretty valuable to see all that detail listed right here. So I wanted to point out that's why you should, one of the many reasons why you should model your data in a very good format, and make sure that your users know that on some of these visuals, they want to look for that C records so they could see the underlying data with it. I hope this helps.